Welcome to Myclass, your class. Our today's lesson is about household chores. During the week, there are lots of things to do. Come with us to learn this new vocabulary. Wash the dishes. I wash the dishes every day. Clean the house. I clean the house twice a week. Vacuum the floor. I vacuum the floor every Saturday. Cook. I cook the dinner every night. Take out the trash. We take out the trash every night. Do the laundry. I do the laundry every weekend. Feed the dog. I feed the dog twice a day. Iron the clothes. I iron the clothes every Wednesday. Make the bed. I make the bed every morning. Walk the dog. I walk the dog every afternoon. Did you like this video? What about subscribing the channel?